Okay, this is how many pounds was taken out of this car. It's in Spanish, that's why it says that. That's pounds. 0.69 pounds. Almost 7/10 of a pound of refrigerant was taken out of this car. And that's how much refrigerant the technician was going to put back into the car, because that's what he was taught. Whatever you take out of the car is what you put back in the car. But yet, this is a new hood. It was in an accident, and he threw away the hood with the sticker. So in this shop, when they do their R134 vehicles, they just put back in what they take out. How's that for a shop? That is hackery at the best. This car takes 500 grams. What is 500 grams? 500 grams is more than 1 pound. So he was gonna put this car out on the road with less charge than what it was recommended. This is over a pound charge for this vehicle, and he was going to put less than a pound of charge in this vehicle and send it out. That's reality, guys. That's what we have. If you're a customer, be careful. And often the owners don't know no different either. That's the really scary part. What else? Let's see. They're still doing the condenser on the other vehicle, and he just about has this together. Okay, that's going to be ready. This is ready, and this is not ready. All right, so I'm just waiting a few minutes for this. I got to get to Burlingame, but I didn't want to go there and back. All right, keep on going, get the next vehicle. But yeah, less than a pound, it takes more than a pound, and that's how they charge it up here. They don't use no specifications, they don't look nothing up. If the car comes in or they threw away the sticker, they just guess. Oh, and on top of that, they gave it to me running, and it had no coolant in it, and it was starting to smell funny, and I'm going, something's smelling funny here. And I put my hand down on the radiator hose, and it was dead, just totally cold. I squeezed it, I could tell there's nothing but air in there. I come over to here, and nothing inside the coolant, completely empty. And another great thing, overheating customers' cars is very common in some shops. All right, guys, see you later. Great work, guys. See ya.